guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on AI for Onlyfans. Now there's some certain questions about using AI to obviously bring in traffic, but what about using AI in Onlyfans itself? Many people don't fully understand in which you can actually risk your account, get your account deactivated by not actually following the community guidelines. So I'm just going to quickly go over the actual community guidelines and what Onlyfans says about using AI for your Onlyfans account. Okay, so can we use AI enhanced content on Onlyfans? The answer is yes, but it must clearly show that it is the actual creator. It's only enhanced. If the user can tell that the content is generated or altered or enhanced by AI, the easiest way to do this is actually include #AI, and that's perfectly fine with Onlyfans. But what you do not want to be doing is creating a whole different avatar and fully altering the model that you're working with to generate completely altered AI content. Avoid that. Avoid that. Instead of jumping on the hype train and doing careless stuff, make sure that you've read through the community guidelines, because I'm seeing it over and over again, people not following the guidelines and actually are risking your account. So other question is, can you post AI generated or altered content or enhanced content of someone else's Onlyfans? And the answer is no. You cannot post AI generated or enhanced content featuring someone else's verified Onlyfans. Okay, if you do not follow these accounts, there's a risk of terms of service and your account can be deactivated. Excuse me. The other question is using chatbots and AI generated chat content to send direct messages to the subscribers on Onlyfans. And the answer for that, and I know friends and that are creating an AI chatbot, I think they've got it at like 3 to 10 ratio in the chat ratio for sales. But in a matter of fact, if you're using dodgy AI chatbot or AI generated chat content, you can definitely risk your account. So you're not allowed to use AI chatbot to write chats and direct messages on Onlyfans. If you do not follow these guidelines, your account's going to be at breach and your account can be deactivated. So these are the simple mistakes people could be using, and I'm bringing this to you now to avoid these mistakes on your Onlyfans accounts. Go through all the community guidelines in terms of services as well, so you have a good bearing of avoiding these mistakes and avoid getting strikes on their account, because it's not just your agency's income, or if you're a creator, or it's not just your income, it's everyone else's, the whole team that you're working with. So be aware of that, not to just jump on, drink the Kool-Aid with AI. There are some mistakes to be avoided, and the less mistakes that you make, especially in business, the further you're gonna go. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.